Hello friends, myself Archana Mughal from KTHM College Nasik, Department of Computer Science. Today we will discuss our first chapter, History of Soft Computing. In this lecture, we will discuss about the various topics like what is soft computing, its development history, then characteristics of soft computing, goals, importance of soft computing, then tools or you can say components of soft computing. Then we will discuss the overview of soft computing tools. Now we see what is soft computing. Soft computing was proposed in 1981 by the inventor of fuzzy logic, Dr. Lotfi Zadeh. Then definitions of soft computing. Soft computing is an emerging approach to computing which parallels the remarkable ability of the human mind to reason and learn in an environment of uncertainty and imprecision. Soft computing deals with approximate models and gives solutions to complex real-world problems. Soft computing is an approach that gives an imprecision on the human mind to reason and learn in an environment of uncertainty and imprecision. Soft computing deals with imprecision, uncertainty, partial truth, and approximation to achieve close resemblance with human decisions. The cost of the solution also very low in this kind of computing. It forms the basis of a considerable amount of machine learning techniques. Soft computing used in handwriting recognition and data compression and image processing. Soft computing is the foundation of conceptual intelligence in machines. Soft computing deals with imprecision, uncertainty, partial truth, and approximation to achieve tractability, robustness, and low solution cost. Soft computing is the only solution when we do not have any mathematical modeling of problem solving, like algorithm, that is algorithm. In real time, there is a need to solve a complex problem, adapt with the changed scenario, and be implemented with parallel computing. It has massive application in many application zones such as medical diagnosis, computer vision, machine intelligence, weather forecasting, network optimization, large scale integrated design, pattern recognition, handwritten character improvement, etc.
Now we will see development history of soft computing. Soft computing is made up of different components like evolutionary computing, neural network and fuzzy logic. The evolutionary computing invented by Reichenbach in the year 1960. Then neural network invented by McCulloch in the year 1943. And the fuzzy logic invented by Dr. Lotfi Zadeh in the year 1965. Same as evolutionary computing is also made up of different components like GP, ES, EP and GA. GP means genetic programming, that is invented by Koza in the year 1992. Then evolution strategies invented by Reichenbach in the year 1965, and the evolutionary programming is invented by Fogel in the year 1962, and last genetic algorithm invented by Holland in 1970.
Now we see the characteristics of soft computing. Human expertise. In soft computing utilizes human expertise in the form of fuzzy, if-then rules as well as in conventional knowledge representation to solve practical problems. Next characteristic is biological inspired. Biologically inspired computational models. Inspired by biological neural networks, artificial neural networks are employed extensively in soft computing to deal with perception, pattern recognition, and non-linear regression and classification problems. Then, new optimization technique. Soft computing applies innovative optimization methods arising from various sources. They are genetic algorithms inspired by the evolution and selection process, simulated annealing, the random search method, and the downhill simplex method. These optimization methods do not require the gradient vector of an objective function, so they are more flexible in dealing with complex optimization problems. Then, numerical computations. Soft computing relies mainly on numerical computations. Incorporations of symbolic techniques in soft computing is an active research area within this field. Next characteristics is new application domain. Because of its numerical computation, soft computing has found a number of new application domains besides that of artificial intelligence approaches. These application domains are mostly computation intensive and include adaptive signal processing, adaptive control, nonlinear system identification, nonlinear regression, and pattern recognition. Last characteristics is model free learning. Neural networks and adaptive fuzzy inference systems have the ability to construct models using only target system sample data. Detailed insight into the system helps set up the initial model structure, but it is not mandatory. Now we see the goals of soft computing: to develop intelligent machines to provide solutions to the real world problems, and to exploit the tolerance for approximation, uncertainty, imprecision, and partial truth. Then we will see components of soft computing. There are three components of soft computing: neural networks, genetic algorithms, and fuzzy system. Now we will see the first components of soft computing is neural networks. Neural networks was proposed by the inventor of one of the first neurocomputers, Dr. Robert H. Nielsen. According to Robert Nielsen, neural networks is a computing system made up of a number of simple, highly interconnected processing elements which process information by their dynamic state response to external inputs. Human brains, in a way, describe the real world conditions which computers cannot. In order to solve this issue, for the first time, neural networks were developed in 1950s. An artificial neural network is an attempt to emulate a network of neurons that make a human brain so that computers can be able to learn things and make decisions in a human way. Artificial neural network is made by regular computer programming as if they are mutually associated with brain cells. Next component is genetic algorithms. Genetic algorithm originally developed by John Holland in 1975. Genetic algorithms are a heuristic search and optimization technique inspired by natural evolution. Nature is and will always be an amazing source of inspiration for all of mankind. Genetic algorithms take all their inspiration from nature, and there are no less genetic algorithms based on search based algorithms that find its roots in natural selection and concepts of genetics. The genetic algorithm is also a subset of large branch of computation. Genetic algorithm also called as evolutionary computations. Then use of genetic algorithm is in optimization and search problems and scheduling and timetabling. Then last components of soft computing is fuzzy systems. Fuzzy system proposed by Dr. Lotfai-Zadeh in 1965. Fuzzy logic is a form of many valued logic. Fuzzy models or sets are mathematical means of representing vagueness means roughness and imprecise information, hence the term fuzzy. Fuzzy logic is a mathematical logic which attempts to solve problems with an open, imprecise spectrum of data that makes it possible to get an array of precise findings. Fuzzy logic is designed to be considered the best possible decision by the considering all available information and looking an input. There are some importance of soft computing. We are already studied some importance. Here first importance is it is an application of human knowledge such as recognition, learning, understanding, etc. It solves problems with an element of uncertainty as is found in real life. It is capable of deriving approximate solutions to problems, and it can deal with issues consisting of non-statistical data. Our first chapter is over. Now in next lecture we will see brief introduction of neural networks, fuzzy logic and genetic algorithms. Okay, thank you.